In today's sound battle, we're going to be comparing the Zealot S78 and the Zealot ZE01. Let's see between an old Zealot speaker, which is the Zealot S78, and a newer Zealot speaker, which is the Zealot ZE01. So we're going to find out which one sounds better among both of them. These are the ports you find on both of these speakers. In this particular comparison, we're going to be playing both speakers indoor and outdoor. So in this video, you get to experience the outdoor and indoor performance of these two speakers, how they stack up against each other regarding sound, which one is more superior in sound, and if it's actually necessary for you to upgrade if you are still stuck with the S78. I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. That's one way you're going to be supporting this channel to bring more videos like this to you in the future. And let me know your opinion in the comment section. I'd like to know your thoughts, which one you think sound better according to your own experience. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Right now, we're going to start with the S78 on 50% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. EQ, 70% volume. Let's go. speakers on vocal boost EQ, mass volume. Let's go.